Is your pool pump not working? Is it making a humming sound or a loud squealing noise? Well, before you call a professional, here are 5 things that you can do to troubleshoot it on your own. And one method actually involves hitting it with a shoe. Yeah, not joking. So here's how to get your pump to start working again. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Matt from Swim University, and before we get into this video, if you want more help taking care of your pool, be sure to grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimu.com/cheat sheet. It's totally free and will help keep your pool clean and clear throughout the year. First, is your pump making a humming sound? Well, it means there's something wrong with the motor, so here are 3 things that you can try. First is you want to reset your breaker. Find the electrical breaker that controls your pump, turn it off, and then turn it back on. It could just be that the breaker tripped. Number 2 is you want to check for a jammed impeller. The impeller is the only moving part in your pump. It propels the water from the pool and into your filter at a high speed. If it's jammed, the motor seized up. So turn off your pump at the breaker, remove the pump basket, and manually spin your impeller. You can find the impeller by reaching into the pump housing and feeling around for the impeller towards the back of the pump. A screwdriver or a bent wire hanger can help here. Spinning it manually or removing anything caught inside can be enough to restart the pump once you turn it back on. Number 3, you want to give your pump a good whack. Using a rubber mallet or a rubber-soled shoe, hit the pump motor as the pump is trying to turn on. Just make sure that whatever you're using has a rubber cushion to it and that you're hitting the motor right as it turns on. You'd be surprised how often a few solid hits can actually solve this issue. The downside to this method working is it probably means you need to replace your motor sooner rather than later. Okay, so what if your pump's making a high-pitched squealing noise? Well, that's probably coming from your motor's bearings, and they're probably corroded. Your pump probably overheated at some point, causing a leak, and chlorinated water got into the motor's electrical components. Unfortunately, this means you'll either need to replace part of the pump or replace your pump altogether. Finally, if your pump is running but it's making a gurgling sound, it could mean that it's just not getting enough water. So you want to make sure that your pool's water level is at least halfway up the skimmer, and try priming the pump by adding water with a garden hose. And be sure to check out our other video on how to prime a pump. Now, if you need more help with pool care, be sure to grab our free pool care cheat sheet at swimu.com/cheat sheet. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and check out our channel for more tutorials. That's it. Thanks again, and happy swimming.